So hey guys, good morning. So today is day 110. So I just sorry, I came from tuition sometimes ago, and after coming, I had a meal. Now I'll go for writing work. In this room I can't write because this room has too much heat. So that's why I'm going that room. There is cooler, and today is no any extra work, but not there is no writing work more, but I have to complete the diagrams of whatever I have written. So after that, uh, when the time will end, then I will go to the tuition. So now I am going for the draw the diagrams. So let's go for the draw. Guys, I just completed my writing work. So after now I am doing my some regular task. After that I'll sleep for a time. Then I will have meal. Then after I will go to uh, tuition. So now I am doing my regular task. So guys, I just came from tuition. Now I want to complete my too much task, and as well as to complete the meditation. So also I dare to complete my English speaking with vocabulary, and still I don't complete my daily blogs. So I want to also dare that complete my regular task. That means making my blogs. So I want to speak at least 2 minutes in this blog and in this time. So I what I'm saying and what I'm telling, I don't understand properly. So it's my dare that I want to speak continuously without any disturbance, and I can't properly speak, but I am trying to speak, because if I stop here, uh, then I can't speak. I never speak English. So if so, I want to speak regularly without any disturbance and with no perfection is there. I want to speak roughly whatever it is. I'm just speak. I'll just speak. You can see that how I'm speaking, but no one can understand properly. But whenever I try to speak, I'm speaking. I don't understand what I'm saying or what I'm speaking. So I'm going to kitchen, and what mummy is doing, so I can show you. So let's go to the kitchen. So guys, mummy was cooking there, and I am shy to go there and making vlog because papa is also there. So I can't speak properly, or I am shy to speak in front of papa. So I am going to do meditation. After that I'll complete my regular task as well as writing work, because in a day I have completed some work, and I want to draw some diagrams which has not completed still. Mm, Now I will complete that all this work which I want to complete. Uh, I don't know how much time will take for speaking and fluency in front of camera, and I'll dare myself that I'll speak continuously without any obstructions and without any disturbance. Whatever it is I am speaking, I am telling, and whatever it is, I don't know if I'm stopped there. I'll speak whatever it is. Then I'll try to speak regularly, and also I'll speak repeat sentences if I where I'm stuck. Then I'll introduce some, and I'll show some pictures, what some views. I'll try to go outside and make some vlogs. So now I'm going to do meditation. Mm, every time I do mistakes in grammar, because continuously I can't speak properly, uh, and especially in front of camera. So now I am going to do meditation. So let's go for the meditation. So guys, first of all, we need to get some fresh because I am so wet with what is the meaning for pasina. Um, so first of all, get some fresh. After this, get some rest, and then I'll do for meditation because today was so heat in this room, and now also still is heating this room because you know that how much is heating this room. So now I'm getting some fresh, and after walk and having drink, then I'll go to the meditation. So let's go for the fresh, having fresh, then some rest after this meditation. Let's go. So guys, I came here to the kitchen. Mummy is cooking here. That rice is cooking, and vegetable, that sabji is also cooking here, and the vegetable of cooking is sorry. Uh, the vegetable is cooking here. Soybean, that here. Okay. So what do you want to speak, Mama? Mama don't know how I am speaking and what I am doing here. So Mama also shy in front of camera. She can't speak properly. Or what? Nothing can speak here. So Mama will not give my some time. Give her some time. So let's go for do our work. Let's go. Guys, I did take some rest. Now I'll go for meditation. Um, I can't. I did not do meditation because I was so tired. So that's why I had some rest. Now I'll go for the meditation. So let's go for the meditation. So guys, I done my meditation. So after this regular task, I want to complete now. So let's go for the vocabulary because if I break my consistency, then it's not to be uh, again I do this. So guys, I don't know properly speaking because continuously I can't speak, but I can speak one sentence, but in my mind there I in my mind I can't speak properly. So it will be soon speak speak I will so guys, you can see that I am very stuck while speaking. So next word will be what I can't guess or remember. So my vocabulary is so dull. So I want to improve my vocabulary with the help of learning vocab. So now I am doing I'll do vocabulary. So let's go. Guys, before doing the vocabulary, I'll have some meal or whatever it is, some snacks. So here, uh, chips is there. So I'll add some chips and some fried soybean. Then after I'll do vocabulary because while speaking, energy is very much required. So that's why I'm eating this. So after this, I'll change my clothes after then doing vocabulary. So let's go. I first of all having some these snacks, then we'll do regular task and whatever it is do which I want to do. So let's so guys, I did my daily vocabulary. So now you can see here which I did complete. Now I am going for having meal. After that I'll upload this video and then I will sleep. Okay. So guys, I wanted to complete my regular task at least 10 minutes. After that, before that, I was completed to 5 minutes. But now I will complete to at least 10 minutes. So guys, just I had meal. Now I go to for walking. Then come uh, I'll upload this video and then I will sleep. So guys, today is that's it for today. Then we'll meet tomorrow. So bye bye.